Welcome to Julia's Turkish Kitchen. Today I have a special barbecue for 12 guests. Homemade shish kebab with accompanying salad, courtesy of my hubby, Mr. H. Disclaimer, during the making of this video there have been lots of shots involving the preparation of raw meat. If that's not your thing, I apologise and will be adding links to some of my vegetarian options which were also made available to my guests on the day. Here's what you'll need. The quantities in this video are for 12 people. You can add or reduce the amounts according to your needs. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel for recipes with a Turkish flavour posted weekly. Let's get started. Trim off any excess fat from the diced lamb. For 12 people, 5 kilograms of lamb was needed. Do this for all the lamb to be used, trying not to damage the shape of each piece. Pieces should be roughly about 3 centimeters each. No need to remove all the fat, as some fat is fine and will melt away as it's barbecued. If making this quantity, you should end up with 2 large trays full of meat. Measurements of the trays will be on your screen. Once the excess fat has been removed, start to marinate. Pour half a cup each or 120 ml of milk into each tray. 1 cup or 240 ml of sunflower oil into each tray. So that's a total of 480 ml for 5 kilograms of meat. Adjust according to the quantity you are making. Add a total of 4 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons each tray of tomato or pepper puree. Add 4 tablespoons or 2 in each tray of oregano. Sprinkle on chili flakes according to your taste. Finely chop 1 large onion. Add the onion and crushed garlic to the meat. Combine all the ingredients together. The best way is to use your hands. Alternatively, you can use a metal spoon if you prefer. Finally, add 4 tablespoons of salt, distributed equally amongst the meat. Leave the meat to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. In the meantime, prepare the salad. You can of course vary what you put in. This is what I use to go with the barbecue. Adjust according to your taste. Finely chop a generous amount of parsley and slice thinly 1 red onion. Once sliced, I went back and gave the onion an extra chop for a rustic look. Slice and finely chop 4 cayenne peppers. You can use alternative peppers also. Coarsely chop half of 1 red cabbage. White can also be used. Slice and finely chop 4 to 6 lettuce leaves depending on their size. Dice 2 large tomatoes into small pieces. The salad is now ready to be placed in the fridge, ready for dressing just before serving to your guests. Be sure to cover the top to keep it fresh. After the meat has marinated, prepare enough skewers to get started with the barbecue. Be sure not to overload the skewers, leaving enough space in between for the sides to cook. The barbecue should have been lit by now and hot enough to take the meat. Follow the package guidelines as to how much lighting fuel and charcoal to use if using a traditional charcoal barbecue. As my lovely guests have arrived, it's now time to transfer the skewers to the grill. Leave some space in between them and check and turn regularly. Whilst waiting for the first round to cook, prepare some more skewers. Create space in between the meat to ensure they cook evenly throughout. Have a heat-proofed serving dish nearby to transfer the cooked meat easily into. You'll have to keep an eye on them though. Shout out to Shane. As the barbecue is almost ready, it's time to dress the salad. Drizzle on some olive oil, pomegranate juice or juice of 1 lemon, some chili flakes to your taste and a pinch of salt.
Okay, everyone help yourselves.